In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Google Pay as a payment option on Gumroad. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Alright, let's get started. If you're a creator using Gumroad, you know how important it is to offer multiple payment options to your customers to make the buying process as smooth as possible. Adding Google Pay can be a great choice since it simplifies transactions for those who prefer using their mobile devices. First, you'll need to log in to your Gumroad account. Head over to the website and enter your credentials to get to your dashboard. Now that you're in, you'll want to navigate to the settings area. To do this, look at the left-hand side of the screen. You should see a menu there. Click on Settings, which will usually be near the bottom of the menu. Once you're in the Settings menu, you'll see several sections listed across the top. You want to find and click on the one labeled Payments. This section is where all the magic happens regarding how you manage the ways customers can pay you. As you scroll down the Payments section, you will notice options for adding different payment methods. There are usually two primary options that come up first: a bank account and PayPal. If you're looking to set up Google Pay, you need to ensure that you have your PayPal account ready. You won't directly see a Google Pay option here, but linking your PayPal account will allow you to offer Google Pay indirectly. So let's go ahead and click on the PayPal option. When you click it, a prompt should appear asking for details to fill in your PayPal account information. This is fairly straightforward, but make sure to have your PayPal account details at hand. You'll need to provide the email address associated with your PayPal account and possibly a few more details. Just follow the prompts as they appear to you. After you've filled in the required details, do ensure you double-check everything before hitting save. You wouldn't want to face any hiccups later on while trying to receive payments. Once everything is filled out and confirmed, go ahead and click the button to save your settings. Now, Google Pay will automatically work with your Gumroad store through PayPal. This means when customers proceed to check out, if they have Google Pay set up on their devices, they can choose that option, making it a quick and easy transaction for them. That's pretty much the gist of adding Google Pay through PayPal. But just to recap, you logged into your Gumroad account, navigated over to the settings, selected the payments section, clicked on the PayPal option, filled in your account details, and finally saved everything. It's really an easy setup once you get the hang of it. Before we wrap things up, remember to check your store after the setup. It's always a good idea to do a test run yourself. Purchase something, using Google Pay to see that everything is working smoothly. This will not only help you understand how seamless the buying process is for your customers, but will also give them confidence in using that payment option, knowing you validated it firsthand. And that's it. You now have Google Pay set up as a payment option on your Gumroad store. Your customers will appreciate the flexibility, and it could very well lead to increased sales. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and leave a like. It not only helps me out, but also allows you to keep up with more great tips just like this one. Thanks for watching, and happy selling with your newly enhanced payment options.